Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add pictures on Reddit post. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Reddit application in your mobile and this is how the interface looks like. Now you have to tap on this plus or create icon in the bottom. Now choose the type of the post. For this, tap on this gallery icon here and you will see all of your photos here. Now you have to tap on that photo you want to upload on Reddit. Now just simply tap on this add in the top right corner. Now you can change it like crop, draw, or you can add some text. If you are ready to post, now tap on this next in the top right corner and now you can see this title button. You can add the title here whatever you want, like I'm going for new post, and then you can add the body text here. It's optional as well, and then simply tap on this next. Now you can choose the channel or community you want to post on and then tap next, and then you have to just simply tap on this post in the top right corner and you are good to go. Your post is posted on Reddit. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.